Hi, welcome to Updawg-Yoga. My name is Emily. I just did a hot, sweaty yoga class, and I thought, why not push myself and do another class by myself? This is 100 degrees in here, so anytime you need to rest, please rest if you're following along. I'm going to do that as well. But let's get started in child's pose today. So you can move on your hands and knees and bring your big toes together to touch. Knees as wide as your mat. Sink your hips back to stretch your arms forward and rest on your forehead. And then all you have to do here is breathe. Slow, deep breath in through your nose. Long, deep breath out through your nose. Let's take 5 breaths here to relax. And then shift forward into tabletop on your hands and knees. So take your knees hip distance apart. Inhale, cow pose, drop your belly, let your spine go saddle back and look forward. Exhale, cat pose, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, round your spine. Just go back and forth. Come back to tabletop. Downward facing dog this time. Walk your hands forward, tuck your toes, lift your hips. So bring your feet hip distance apart. My feet are wide, it's kind of hard to tell like that. Look to your knees, relax your head. Pedal your legs, bend one knee, bend the other. Press the floor away, stretch into your upper back, wiggle your hips. And then look forward, step your feet to the top of your mat, ragdoll pose. With your feet wide, grab your elbows, gently sway side to side, relax your head and neck. Keep breathing. And then drop your arms down, bend your knees slowly, roll yourself up to standing, one vertebra at a time, come up. We'll take a moment to ground. So just to feel the ground underneath your feet. With your feet hip distance apart, hands in prayer, close your eyes, deep breath in, deep breath out. One more time. Okay, you can blink your eyes open, stand at the top of your mat, sun salutation A, inhale, mountain pose, reach up. Exhale, forward fold, come all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your shins. Exhale, plank. So plant your hands, step your right foot back, and then your left foot back. All right, chaturanga, shift forward, lower. Inhale, upward facing dog, point your toes into your mat, lift your thighs. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a few breaths, reset. And then we'll try it again. Look forward to your hands. Right foot steps forward, then left foot steps forward. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Right into the next round. Inhale, mountain pose, reach up. Exhale, forward fold, back down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. This time, left foot steps back. So find your lunge. Right foot steps back. Plank. Chaturanga, lower. Inhale, upward facing dog, lift up. Exhale, downward facing dog, press back. Breathe. Inhale, lift your right leg up. So come into a split. Exhale, bend your knee, open your hip. So reach it to the left side. And then inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, half pigeon. Swing your right knee forward. Tuck your left toes, wiggle your left leg back. Yay, so top of your foot is down. Walk your hands back, stay up here, or walk your hands forward, fold. 5 breaths, soften your face. Stay relaxed. Find the center of your hips. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Slow, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. And we'll do the same stretch just on side 2 this time. So you'll walk your hands back, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. So right foot meets your left foot. Inhale, lift your left leg up, bend your knee, open your hips, and kick it open to the right side. Inhale, straighten your left leg. Exhale, half pigeon. Left foot meets right knee. Hold on, I said that way wrong. Left knee meets left wrist. Stretch your right leg back. Walk your hands back. Lift your chest up. Yay, so stay up here. Or walk your hands forward, fold, soften your face, soften your jaw. Slow, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. Take 5 more breaths here. Make sure you're on the center of your hips. So not leaning to the left or to the right, or right in the center. You feel a good stretch. You don't feel a good stretch, you need to come out of it. Because that's where we get injured. And we don't want to get injured. So listen to your body, slow down. And then press on the back, downward facing dog. So right toe step, left knee lifts, down dog. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, step or jump to your hands. I'm just gonna step, I'm tired. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose, so it looks like this. You're gonna sit down. So from the front, toes straight ahead, thighs back. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plank. So right foot steps back, then left foot steps back, lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, low lunge. Lower to your back knee. Inhale, crescent moon, come up. Yay, whoa. Pull your right hip back, left hip forward. Press your right heel down and imagine you're dragging it back. Look at one spot on the wall in front of you. 3 breaths here. Okay, inhale. Exhale, airplane arms. So tuck your back toes, lift your back knee, lean forward. As if you're gonna run forward. And then inhale, warrior 2, back heel down, arms wide, look to your right fingertips. 3 breaths here. So your knees rolling to your pinky toe. Inhale. Exhale, side angle pose, right forearm to your thigh, left arm up, look up to your thumb. Slow down again, press into your feet. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, downward facing dog. Plant your palms, right foot steps back. Reset. Other side, inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, low lunge. Left foot steps in between your hands. Lower to your right knee. Inhale, crescent moon, come up. Hold and breathe. Left foot is back. Right hip is forward. Draw your belly in. Okay, breathe here. Breath in, strong deep breath out. Inhale, crescent lunge, tuck your back toes, lift your back knee, lean forward as if you're gonna run forward. As you wouldn't run with your chest down, but just for the scenario. Inhale, warrior 2, spin your back heel down, reach your arms wide. So line up your feet, heel towards to your left fingertips. Press down through your feet, draw your belly in, front ribs in. Inhale. Exhale, side angle pose, left forearm to your thigh, right arm up to the sky, look up to your thumb. And then to come out of it, inhale, warrior 2, lift up. Exhale, downward facing dog, hands down, left foot steps back. One more time, inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, step or jump. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Sit down, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga or crow pose. I'm gonna try crow. Plant your hands. Bend your elbows. You can also do your push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, low lunge. This time, inhale, crescent lunge. So your back knee stays lifted. Right toe straight ahead, reach your arms up. 3 big breaths here. Okay, and then come into eagle pose. So you'll hook your left elbow underneath your right elbow so your hands wrap. Step forward, cross your left leg over your right leg. Sit down into a chair. So sit down, sit up tall. All right, when you're ready, step back. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Back heel down, reach your arms wide. Lift your fingertips, 3 breaths here. Inhale, reverse warrior, bend your right knee, reach your right arm up, look up to your thumb. Slow down, I know that was a lot. Inhale, exhale, downward facing dog. So hands down, back heel lifts, right leg steps back. Other side, inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent lunge, come up. Sink down, straighten your right leg, 3 breaths. You can do this, you can do hard things. Inhale, exhale, eagle pose, right elbow hooks underneath the left elbow. Step your right leg forward, cross. Sit down into a chair. This is such a difficult pose for me. So don't worry if you're struggling, you're doing it right. Three, 2, and 1. Step back. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. So line up your feet, heel to arch, switch to your left fingertips, breathe. Inhale, reverse warrior, bend your left knee, reach your left arm up. Inhale, exhale, downward facing dog. Yay. Okay, lower down. Let's do some camel poses. Okay, so come up to kneeling on your knees, tuck your toes, hands on your low back, look up. Woo. Stay here, or reach back and grab your feet. It's a tricky one. And then very slowly come up, have a seat, and rest. Close your eyes, slow down. And you can lie on your back. We'll do bridge pose or wheel pose if you really like wheel pose. Lie down, hands beside your hips. Look at one spot on the ceiling. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, bridge. Heels down, hips up. For wheel pose, hands by your ears. Take your feet wide. Lift onto the crown of your head and then all the way up. And then lower down, crown of your head, and your hips. All right, bring your feet together, knees wide. You're in a diamond shape, bound angle. Right hand to your belly, left hand to your heart. Close your eyes, rest. And this is where we're gonna really slow down. We're gonna nose dive into our final meditation or savasana. So stay here longer if you need it. If you're ready to move on, knees together. Hug your knees into your chest. Drop your knees to the right. Look to your left. And then bring your knees up. Drop your knees to the left, look to your right. So slow down, soften your face, soften your jaw, and we'll close with happy baby pose. Just for some symmetry, roll onto your back, pull your knees into your armpits, grab your feet, gently rock side to side. I love this pose. It's so fun. And then hug your knees into your chest, forehead to your knees, squeeze everything in like a tiny ball. Inhale, exhale, release, stretch your legs, relax your arms down, close your eyes, rest. And then wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll to one side. You're welcome to rest longer. I encourage it. Please stay up to 5 minutes. If you're ready to come up, press into your top hand. Come up to seated. Sit cross-legged, hands to your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes. One more moment of stillness here. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Have a wonderful rest of your day, wonderful weekend. Namaste. I will see you in the next video. Let me know if there's anything to do or any questions.